those bombs right there, they're gonna explode your mind. Watch out! Shoot, you know what bugs me so much? Make sure to stay to the very end of the video. We've got a sick surprise that I'm so excited. It's gonna be fun. Oh, hi everybody, and welcome back to Ohana Boys. So, in class, I have been learning some stuff about aerodynamics and realizing it's just cutting through air, yada yada yada. Who really cares? But today, we are going to test our aerodynamic skills with this challenge we came up with. Let's hear it. Paper airplane Olympic! Shae gets to build 3 of his own paper airplanes, and I get to build 3 of my own paper airplanes. And they will be tested on 3 different skills. How far they can fly, how long they can be in the air, and third, style.
Drop that 0 and get with the heat.
I'm gonna beat that one. Just like this hoodie in the super hot heat out. Who cares? Let's get to it. Look at this already, guys. Looks like a plane. A paper one, too.
Is it? Huh.
It's not doing too well. I hate these types of folds. Shoot, you know what bugs me so much? It's off and it's not equal. It's the most annoying thing in the world. Looks like mine's finished. You see this bad boy?
What a piece of junk.
What's the plan for the next 2?
The dart. The dart is all about how hard you can throw it. So that's what's kind of hard because Wyatt has a better arm than me. Wait, are you doing the dart? No. Not at all. What got you? Ow! This one is for the longest it can stay in the air. So then, I'm gonna make the next one. It's called the stylish one. The cool one, you know. So, look. This one is the one that stays in the air for the longest, okay? Glider? Glider, yes. That's kind of sad. This one is my cool one. You even see those bombs right there? They're gonna explode your mind. So then, this is the one that goes the farthest. What? You used a dart too? Great minds think alike.
Alright.
I call this one Dartarama. I fly it like this, and I huck it. And it's gonna go so far. Dartarama for the win. Wider glider. He's a white paper that's gonna glide, but he's so pretty, right? It's like, ooh. But he also flies well. That's the thing. And my glider, this guy, I was trying to compete for who's gliding and who's prettier. Huh? He's gonna glide the best. Nuh-uh. I think he is.
She may not look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid.
You guys are going to decide whose is the prettiest, coolest, awesomest airplane ever. I think this guy is. But look, go and vote in the community post to see whose is best. Hashtag Shae Bennett. It even has the little guy in it and the rockets and the fire. Yeah, I actually like his rockets. But now let's see who can fly the best.
Me? Oh, I'm not flying that thing.
Ha! Let's do this. Bad boy fly to the moon. Woo! I'll give it to him. He won. I know. Actually, no. This wasn't to see whose is the farthest or the best. Whose is the prettiest. So go comment in the community post.
Yeah, let's get on that.
These are our gliders. We have to see who stays in the air the longest.
Mine. Let's do this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, like a full-on 2 full seconds in the air, my guy.
I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna win. What does that mean?
I destroyed that competition. We are just gonna throw
yeet
these as far as we can. Just like
Chuck 'em.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Come here, please. Lost all.
No!
Oh! Let's go check them out.
How did that happen?
You think the pointiness makes it better? No, it just makes it like.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, who's gonna go highest?
Watch out, go!
We don't.
Darn it! If I put rocks in it, it would have won.
So, Shae, you won the glider, I won the long distance.
And now for our surprise that we have all been telling you guys about in the beginning. Okay, our big surprise is we are going to make the biggest airplane. And we are just gonna combine all 3 contests. Prettiest, glidiest, and the farthest. So, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Bro, my whole life was dedicated elementary school to paper airplane and origami. Me and my friend would not even go to recess and just do origami.
Oh my
True stories. So yeah, let's do this.
Okay, mine got a little rips, but it's okay.
Yeah, mine does too. Let's do this.
Okay, Wyatt.
Go! I believe in you!
Another happy landing.
I'm sorry. Oh, you didn't do too well.
I thought you did awesome compared to mine.
Yep.
I'll try spinning. That's a good trick.
This landing is gonna get pretty interesting.
It's been a long day.
A long
School.
day. Science.
Yeah.
But
So,
man, hey-o!
I guess
I won!
Shae won. I got 1 point.
I'm
You got
amazing.
2.
My aerodynamics and knowledge is just too good to be true.
Yeah, but we'll see on the community post of which one looks the coolest.
Yeah, the prettiest, who cares?
Yeah.
Hashtag Shae Bennett.
If you like this video and want to check out some more videos, go check out some videos over there. And Shaka's out.